Welcome to Mechanical Tutorials. I'm going to teach you different techniques in SolidWorks for mechanical engineers. Hi, today I'm going to explain about hem features in sheet metal module. Hem feature is used to roll over the edge of a sheet metal part. This feature is often used to smooth over a sharp edge or to add strength to the edge. So here this is the hem feature. Usually we create this hem feature to avoid the sharp edges and strengthen the flanges. So this is the simple tray. In this tray I have added hem feature to increase the strength of the edge and to avoid the sharp edge. Different kinds of hem features. One is closed hem, open hem, teardrop hem, roll hem. So we'll see one by one. See, this is closed hem, this is open hem, this is teardrop, and this is rolled. So I am going to show one by one. Here this is the hem feature in sheet metal module. So we have to select one of the edge and we have to define the distance. Here I have taken 10 mm and the height as 2 mm. So for closed hem, so here I have taken 10 mm. Since it is closed, there is no height for this. See here, in hem we have two options. One is material inside. So this red color is edge flange and black color is hem. So it is forming inside the edge flange. That is material inside. But bend outside is it starts from the end point of the edge flange. So it is starting from here. This hem feature. See here. This is starting inside the edge flange and ending at the edge flange. See, and this is starting at the end of the edge flange. So for each and every option we have material inside and outside. So at this moment I am keeping outside. These parameters I am going to explain separately. So this is a simple hem feature. Next is open hem. Select the hem feature and this is open hem. Select this edge. See here. Here we can define the distance. I can increase the distance 20 mm and I can define the height also here. So this is defined on the thickness of the material and design requirement. And here we have both material inside and bend outside. So this is bend outside. Now I am going to explain about teardrop hem. So this is teardrop. See here, if I give 100, let's see what happens. Please enter a number between 180 and 270. So for teardrop we have to mention the angle between 180 and 270. So I am giving 220. and 1. Here I can check the option material inside and bend outside. So this is teardrop. So fourth one is rolled hem. Here also we have to mention the angle and distance. And radius. So this is rolled hem. So these are the 4 types of hem features: closed hem, open hem, teardrop hem and rolled hem. Now we will see whether we can apply hem features to circular edges. So a hem can be created on circular edges, and we will check for the slot. So hem feature can be created on arcs, but all the arcs should be in tangent. Then only we can create. If it is not tangent, we cannot create hem feature. Now let's see a few more parameters. See here, I don't want to create hem up to this edge, so I can go to edit hem width and I can change the length of the hem. See, this is the hem. Now we have few more options like custom. This is the tier option. We can create off-round. See, this is off-round. It is similar to edge flanges. This is off-round. Even we can select rectangular. And in hem feature we have custom bend allowances. It is almost similar to edge flange. We can have bend tables, bend calculation, bend allowances and bend deductions. So hem feature is very important in sheet metal operation, especially when we want to avoid the sharp edges and strengthen the component. Thank you.